Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we discuss tips and tricks for your beards. We do some product reviews and unboxings, and we've got a beard advice series where you guys can send in your pictures to me to that email address you see below. I take a look at it for a little while and you get featured in your own video. So check that out if you haven't. And today we've got a big unboxing from Bossman. Bossman Brands has been around a long time. A couple years ago when I first started growing out my beard, the big thing was their beard jelly. And they've got some good scents. They've got co-wash or conditioner. They've got beard oil. They've got a really good mustache wax. It's very, very different. So I think some of their new products they have coming out with is pretty different as well. Their mustache wax, Mudstache, I think they called it, really kind of helps train your mustache. It really is like a training wax. It's not waxy. It's more like a paste. But it really does a good job if you have one of those hard to train mustaches to get it going out to the side a lot better. So I've used that quite a bit. And I reached out to them because I wanted to feature some different products, especially some grooming tools and that kind of thing. Feature that a little bit more on my channel so I can recommend it to the guys for the Beard Advice series. But also like with the combs and the brushes and the straight razors and that kind of stuff. I didn't want to just use a random Amazon link. I wanted to make sure that I knew a little bit more about the company, and Bossman's been around a long time and has a really good reputation. So I reached out to them, saw they had a couple of new things on their website, and they sent me out some stuff. So let's see what they sent. Oh man, that's a lot of stuff there. So we've got the Bossman Brotherhood. It's got a 15% off coupon on it. There's a lovely sticker for those guys who like the stickers. And there we go. So they've got a brand new product, and that is beard pomade. And this one I'm really intrigued by. It's not a wax and it's not an oil. And in fact, the number one ingredient is water. So it's a water-based product. Water, mango seed butter, cocoa seed butter, shea butter, beeswax, and lanolin wax. And then it gets into some other things, and I have a feeling that's more than likely because it's a water-based product. It needs to have some kind of preservatives into it. So I'll dig a little deeper on exactly what's going on with this, but it looks like they sent out all 4 scents to me. So this one is the, what scent is this one? The gold scent. I was missing it. And then I've got the Stagecoach. I've tried all of their beard jellies. If I remember right, Stagecoach was my favorite. It's been a while. The Hammer scent and the Magic scent. Seemed like that one may have been my number 2 favorite. But let's open one of these things up if we can and see what we've got on the inside. So got a little thing to take off here. We'll see if we can figure out the consistency of this. Yeah, so it smells just like the other Stagecoach scent I had in the beard jelly. So if you look at that, it looks really super creamy. It's got a little resistance to it, so it's not, you can't just scoop it out very well forwards, but you can definitely get some out. And I'm not exactly sure. I think it's more for styling, like a pomade is for styling. So we'll see how this goes. I'll definitely do a follow-up video on it. Possibly do some tutorial videos from the bathroom there. We'll get the old camera in there. But that was one of the things they sent me. I know they've got some really good brushes, big thick brush. They've got some combs and that kind of stuff. But they also have straight razors. So that's very, very new. So I wanted to ask them about that, and they sent me out one. So this is the traditional straight razor. I've only tried one other one in the past, and I wasn't impressed with it. It was from another company, and it was one where it had the replaceable blades on it. And I couldn't do a whole lot with it. So this one is a very nice package. And there we go. So straight razor, seems really good. Nice big blade on that. It seems to be sharp. I'm gonna have to work on my stropping skills and trying to figure out how to keep this thing sharp. But I'm interested in trying this. It may take me a couple of times to get comfortable enough to try to put this on camera, but I'm definitely interested in checking this out, working on keeping these cheek lines nice and sharp and whatever else I can do with this. So thank you so much to Bossman. Thank you guys for watching. We'll be trying out the pomade and the straight razor, and we'll be back soon. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.